This is our work so far, and these are 17 rounds for the finger section. Now we're going to crochet the bevels. This is again a point where you can adjust the size, crochet more or less rounds to get a perfect fit. The smallest finger should be covered at least. Fold your mitten to see where to decrease. We will decrease on the left and right side of our mitten. You do not have to count stitches, just the opposite sides. The decreases are super easy. This will be one round with decreases, and a decrease is just skipping a stitch. Then stitch through the second stitch and crochet as usual. Crochet the knit stitch until you reach the opposite side. And on this side the same, skip one stitch. And that's our first round. So the second round will be in knit stitches without any decrease. Now we're going to crochet the third round, and I follow up the decreasing stitch line to decrease at the same place all the time. At this round we're going to decrease also once on the left and on the right side of our mitten. This will be round 4. Knit stitches without decreasing. Continue this way and alternate between one round with decreases as shown and one without. And this is our work after 9 rounds bevel shaping. These are the decreasing sections. Now grab your tapestry needle and sew the top part.